Good morning student. Welcome to our English grammar class. Today we will take models, chapter 9. Last week, this week only we have taken chapter 8, that is non-finite, and today we are taking model, that is chapter number 8, models. Okay. Models are auxiliary verb used to convey specific meaning in particular situation. Models are auxiliary verb. What are auxiliary verb? We'll see. Verb used to convey specific meaning, some meaning in the particular situation, that is model are auxiliary verbs, that are auxiliary verb. We'll see now which it is. Example, you may get into trouble if you disturb the class. You may. May is what here? It is auxiliary verb, that is model. You will fall one day if you keep running down the stairs. You will fall. So, like non-finite verb, models do not change their form according to the number and person of the subject. Infinitive, they change the form according to the number. No, in last video we have studied that infinitive, they change according to the number and person of the subject, but like non-finite verb, models do not change. They do not change. Models, they do not change according to number and person, but infinitive they change according to number and person. Okay. Are you getting, student? I hope you are getting. They are always followed by a bare infinitive. Bare infinitive, I told you that it is zero infinitive, no infinitive. Without infinitive the sentence is. They are always followed by a bare infinitive. Now read this list of models and function they perform in a sentence. How? See, this is a table. It is in your book also. We will see here. See, can, when can is used, the model can, when it is used, we will see which word it is used. Ability, informal, request, possibility, suggestion. If we want to give suggestion, we can use can. Request, can I, request, possibility. So, ability, informal, then request, possibility and suggestion. For giving suggestion we can use can. Okay. So, now could, when could is used, could is used in polite request, past ability, future possibility, prediction, till prediction. Okay. Could is used in polite request when we have to say something very politely, and in request, when we request something we use could. Okay. Then will is used for future. In that sentence before we have used, see here, we have used will here. You will fall. See, will, it is future. So, it is when it is will is used for future action, exception and prediction. Okay. And would, future possibility and future action. Would is used in future possibilities and future action. When the action is done in future, we will use would. Okay. Now, shall, when is shall used? Shall is used to refer to future action and resolve. Refer to future action and resolve. For that we will use shall. And should is used for duty, then advice, behavior. For that what is used? Should is used. Okay. Now may is used for polite request, formal permission. May I come in? We say no. May I come in? Please, may I come? Please, may I take? So that is for polite request, formal, for permission, that we use may. Now might, slight change or possibility and suggestion. Might is used for suggestion and slight change in the possibilities. possibility. Now must, strong obligation, present necessity. Must, you must, no, strong obligation and present necessity. Now dare, dare you should, we say no, dare means warning, and need is necessity. For need we are using necessity. Then ought to is used for obligation, duty, need is used for necessity, ought is used for duty except behavior. Now permission, can, could and may. When can, could and may is used for permission. When we take permission, can, could and may is used. The modal can, could and may are used to ask for and give permission. The modal can, could and may are used to ask for and give permission. Example, you can take as many take as many cookies as you want. You can, that is permission, no. And could, I take a break now please. May I go out to play now? May means question it is, and it is modal also. May I go out to play now. Now here possibility, may, might and could. The modals may, might and could are used to indicate possibility. Example, there may be some biscuit left in the. Possibility means it is may be possible, not possible. Possibility for there may be some biscuit left in the tin. It is not sure, may be. Okay. Now it might rain today afternoon. It might rain, we don't know, it is, we are not sure. It might rain, okay, today afternoon. The book could be on that shelf. The book could be on that shelf. Now advice, for advice and offer. For advice and offer we are using should, would, could, have, should have, couldn't have and shouldn't have. This, see, couldn't means could not have, and shouldn't, should not have. This is not negative. Okay. So here the modal should, would, could have, should have, couldn't have and shouldn't have are used to give advice to make an offer. They are used to give advice or to make an offer. Okay. Now example, you should carry an umbrella on a rainy day. It is advice, we are giving advice. You carry the umbrella because it may rain, so we are giving advice. So if I were you, I would respect that old man. If I were you, I will respect, means we have to respect the elders, old man, elders, our elders we have to respect. Means if I were you, I would respect that old man. Advice, we all respect our elders, no student? Yes. You could have gone out in the morning when it was not raining. Means you could have gone out in the morning when it was not raining. You should have taken the shortcut. You should have taken the shortcut. She shouldn't have plucked those flowers. She shouldn't means she should have not plucked the flowers. She shouldn't, we are using she shouldn't have plucked the flowers. Now ability and possibility, can and could. Ability and possibility we are using the modal can and could. Here the modal can and could are used to say that something is possible or that somebody has the ability to do something. Means the modal can and could are used to say that something is possible or that somebody has the ability to do something. This is ability and possibility. Example, we will see with the example. Now, she can easily complete this project on her own. She can easily complete this project on her own. That is what it is, ability and possibility. Okay. He could swim from one end of the pool to the other in the flash. He could swim. Now, we will go further. Request. You know request, can, could, will, would. Can, could, will, would. That is request. We make request. Example, can you tell me the direction to his house? Can you tell me? Means we are requesting someone that can you tell me the direction to this house? Okay. Could you please guide me to the library? Could you please guide me to the library? We are requesting. Now, will you please listen to me? Will you please listen to me? Would you buy me that yellow dress? Would you buy me that yellow dress? That is all question mark question. And see, it is put before with the capitals and all. No? So, now suggestion. Suggestion can, could, might. The model can, could and might are used to make suggestion. We are giving suggestion, suggest someone, suggestion. You can take a bus or a taxi to the airport. You can take a bus or a taxi to the airport. You could come by in the evening if you are free. You can come. You might talk to your teacher for extra classes. We are requesting someone. Okay. Now, necessity and obligation should, ought to, must, need to. This is for the necessity and obligation. The models should, ought to, must and needs to are used to say that it is necessary to do something. This could be either under the speaker instance or because of an external obligation or demand. Okay. Now, see example, you should exercise more often. You should exercise more often. He ought to take his studies seriously. What we are? Necessity and obligation. Okay. Now, she needs to talk louder if the entire class has to hear her. Now, prohibition and absence of necessity. Needn't, shouldn't, ought not, oughtn't and mustn't. Means prohibition and absence. We have to prohibit or absent. The model needn't, shouldn't and mustn't signify prohibition of some kind of absence of need. Example, I needn't have come so early. I needn't means I should have not come so early. I needn't have come so early. He shouldn't go out so late at night. He should not go out late at night. So, what we are using? He shouldn't go out. Now, few exercise are there, student. You have to do fill in the blanks using can, could, may and might. Okay. And here also, here fill in the blanks using this also and underline, ought to and need to. And one more is there. Fill in the blanks with ought to or need to. You ought to help. Okay, underline. This is the answer for the exercise. 3 exercises we have done. The 5 I have done for you. The remaining you can do. Till then, thank you, student. We will meet next week now. Okay, goodbye.